how to use Automix on Spotify. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, if you're looking to elevate your Spotify listening experience, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the Automix feature that makes your playlist feel like a live DJ set. So, I'll teach you how to use the Automix on your Spotify. So let's dive right in. Open up the Spotify app and then go to the profile icon in the top left corner and then go to settings and privacy. Now here tap on playback and then there you'll find the Automix option. Just tap on it to toggle it on. So it will allow seamless transitions between songs on selected playlist after you have enabled it. It is a fantastic tool to create smooth transition between songs, ensuring your music flows seamlessly without any awkward silences. So uh, I hope this feature is perfect to keep the vibe going for you. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.